Apple accidentally showed the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 before the official presentation. According to the latest leak from analyst John Prosser, Apple announces the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 on April 15th, and its sales will begin on April 22nd. Today, the company accidentally spotlighted a new product on the Chinese version of its website. On the Chinese version of Apple.com, the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 section appeared, in which there were several images of the unannounced new product and its price. It will be $422. This is slightly higher than previously expected. Analysts predicted that Apple will release a new product for the price of $399. It is worth noting that the cost was indicated for China and it can be changed depending on the region of sales. At the time of publication, Apple had already deleted the leaky section, but despite this, screenshots of the site managed to disperse across the network. Judging by the latest data, the iPhone 9, iPhone SE2 will receive a 4.7-inch screen, and its design will resemble the iPhone 8. Also, the novelty will probably be equipped with an A13 processor.